Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time again for us to open up our Izzy&Liv brown sugar box. The box looks a little bit different this month. Looks like they changed up a few things. A little bit simpler. You don't have to put too much into it, but it doesn't matter what the box looks like. Let's jump right in to see what we received inside. Before we do that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. Let's jump right in. Have it, the contents that we received inside of our Izzy&Liv brown sugar box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.